Hello everyone friends, on the Valor channel today I'll show you how to change your age in Epic Games. For this I'll open any browser and we'll need to log into the Epic Games site with our account here. So we go to Epic Games, yes, the store. Let me show you through the store. So we're in the store, scrolling to the very bottom, and here we'll need the help section. To do this we need to find this tab. Where is it now? Safety and security. Click on it and we need to contact support. Click help. And here we type, I want to change my age in my account. The bot will respond immediately. Here. And if we want help, we click on support page. If it redirects you here, we need to write, I want to connect with a real person, you know, with a human. Now we click to call basically an employee, right? And now we write that we can contact through chat or send an email. It's better to write an email, so overall it'll be simple with a detailed response. Click send email. There, and you'll receive a reply. You can view this ticket. I want to change there, but don't just write, I want to change my age in my account. Instead, specify the exact age and reason. For example, say you entered incorrect information when registering your account and so on. This was Valor with you. Goodbye, everyone.